Okay, today we're going to install a internal hard drive into one of these Seagate expansion enclosures. I have a few old hard drives laying around, and I ordered some of these off of eBay. And when I first got it, I didn't exactly know what to do, but it only took me a few minutes. And after looking for videos, I thought this might help someone that gets one of these. Okay, so when you open your box, you should have the enclosure, and if this isn't off, all you have to do is take a skinny flathead screwdriver and pry it off. Just remember the part closest to the power supply and is the part the bottom part that actually comes off. And you just go around the screwdriver, just prying it off. It won't sound very pleasant, but it'll come off and everything will be okay. You'll also have one of these. This goes straight into the back of the hard drive. You'll have 4 screws that are for these rubber feet. And then you'll have one smaller screw that will be for this attachment. So, let me get a hard drive. Okay, here's the hard drive. So, first thing you want to do is match up the slots onto your hard drive like so. So it just there it goes. The other one I did was a little bit easier, but it just goes right into place. Then just fold the tape over, and then same for this. Fold the tape over and kind of rub it onto the hard drive. Then this spot right here is where that little screw is going to go. So you just take that little screw and take a small Phillips screwdriver and screw it in place like so. That'll hold it in place and it won't come out. And then you'll take your rubber feet. Now there's little holes already kind of in them, so you take their screw and just kind of push them through like that. It'll make it easier when you go to put these on the hard drive. Okay. Alright, you'll see they're a little narrower at the how I'm holding it at the top. Those you want to be facing the top of the hard drive, like this is the top, you want them facing up. The screws you're going to be putting them in is the ones on each end. Just remember, don't put it on the middle one, just put it on the one on each end, because when we go to install them into the enclosures, there's little slots that those blue rubber feet will fit in. So you just turn it on the side, and like I said, have the little narrower part facing up, and take your Phillips screwdriver, screw them in like so. You don't have to get them super tight. They're not. Might have to move them a little bit. and do the other side. Like so. I just screw them into the holes. Okay, so we've got this ready. So now we're going to put it in the enclosure. Now, as you see, this is the power supply and this is the USB hookup. And you just line it up. You're going to have to go in at an angle at first. Well, yeah, it'd help if it was aligned up. You have to align it up. So you kind of got to go in at an angle first and get it in there. Then those rubber feet should go straight into the slots. You might have to wiggle them a little bit, but they'll go straight in the slot like so. So you make sure it's lined up, the power supply and everything, and where the USB cord goes. Make sure it's lined up. Then you will notice on this, it's not all the same. There's a gap right here. Now that gap is where this is. So you want to make sure when you start popping it on that that gap is where this is. So you just take it. Now it's not going to sound very pleasant, but you just snap it in place. And once you get it all snapped in place, you have a fully functioning external hard drive now. I hope this video might help someone, and thanks for watching.